In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Monday.com board ID. If you need to connect a board to an API, set up an integration, or build an automation, one of the most useful details you may need is the board ID. The good news is that in most cases, you can find it very quickly just by checking the board's web address. Start by opening the Monday.com board you want to check. Make sure you are on the exact board you plan to use, especially if you manage several boards that look similar or have related names. Taking a moment to verify this now can help you avoid using the wrong ID later. Once the board is open, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This is the web address at the top of your browser window. In that link, you should see a long number. That number is usually the board ID. Depending on how your account is set up, the URL may contain other text and numbers as well. So focus on identifying the main long numeric value associated with the board. After you find that number, copy it. This is the value you'll typically use when working with the Monday.com API, third-party integrations, or custom automation setups. It's a good idea to paste it into a note temporarily so you don't lose it while switching between tools or browser tabs. In many cases, that's all you need. The board ID from the URL is often the correct one to use. However, if you want to be extra careful, or if your setup seems unusual, you can confirm the ID using Monday.com developer tools or the API. This can be especially helpful if you're troubleshooting an integration or working in a more advanced technical environment where accuracy is important. Once you've confirmed the board ID, save it somewhere safe for future use. For example, you might store it in internal documentation, a project note, or a secure workspace reference so it's easy to find again later. Keeping it organized can save time when you revisit the setup or need to update an automation in the future. That's it. Open the correct board, check the browser URL, find and copy the long number, use it where needed, confirm it if necessary, and save it somewhere secure. With this simple process, you can quickly identify a Monday.com board ID whenever you need it